So, say everything goes completely wrong. You don't make your flight, you're going to be a day late because there is no more flights to where you're going. Because you have in your planner, and as a travel nurse, working in a hospital, it's important that people are on time and that they show up when they need to be. So, if I'm not going to be there until a day later, it's important for me to call. And I have the name and the number of the hospital and the contact person that I need to communicate with. I go ahead and check my planner, everything's in there, and give them a call so they can have someone cover my shift, or they can make the proper arrangements to make sure everything goes smoothly so everything works okay in the hospital. It's pretty much, you have to roll with the flow as a travel nurse. You have to go with what comes your way. You have to know how to maneuver and work things out. Planning is the key, but if it doesn't work, you can't force the issue. On your trip, try to make sure that you go with the flow and that you don't force it if it's not working, and you accept what happens, but know that you did everything you could to make it work.